In this video, we are going to talk about the NGR, that is neutral grounding resistor, which is primarily used in the generator neutral as well as in the transformer neutral. So what happens when the fault current is very high? So through neutral, there is a large current flowing through the neutral, which may lead to the sparking, or which is not good for the safety purpose. So what we do in the neutral, we put some resistance, so that is called as a neutral grounding resistance. So what should be the value of neutral grounding resistance? That depends upon its phase voltage. Now here in our plant we are having a phase voltage 6.6 kV by root 3, and we have taken a current of 100 amps. So you can take a fault current 100 amps, 400 amps, that depends upon the plant as well as area. If you go in the coal plant, that fault current will be 400. Now you need to calculate the value of rated resistance, that is 38.15 ohms. So how we have got 38.15 ohms? That is 6.6 kV by root 3 divided by 100 amps. If you do, you will get 38.15. So now second one is the rated duty. So either that should be in the continuous duty or it is in the intermittent duty, S1, or it will stop sometime. Now if you are using in a grid purpose or for the generator purpose where there is a parallel operation, there we need an intermittent duty, because you need to make on and off the NGR while in the parallel mode, in the synchronization mode. But here it is used in single, so we have a fixed values. So we are having a continuous duty here. Second point is, it is a indoor type or outdoor type. Somewhere you will see in the indoor place, you may see somewhere in the outdoor type also. And there will be IEEE standard for it, and degree of protection, it is IP33 and IP55. Degree of protection means ingress protection 33 and IP55 is used for the protection of this. Now this was all about the NGR. Now you will be knowing about the operation of NGR. So what happens when you start a transformer? Before starting a transformer or a generator, you need to close the NGR first. So NGR, you need to, there is a isolator close option. As you will close, the motor will get on and the resistance will come into the picture. So what are the now problems coming in the NGR? There are 3 to 4 problems that might come. First one is, your resistance may get open sometimes. The value of resistance may be less. Second one is, your isolator might be malfunctioning. It has a limit that does not work sometimes. Third, your indication as well as your push buttons might be not be working, as well as the conductor might not be working. This need to be checked time to time. Now you will be talking about the maintenance of the NGR. So on after the 6 months, you need to clean the resistor box that might be connected to the NGR, to the neutral point, to the earth. So that's all about the NGR. And please like and subscribe my channel.